Nice big round of applause out there for our top YouTubers. The reward, cash reward of $10,000.
Thank you.
Will be payable in BCC tokens to your account.
Next,
it's
the top affiliate reward.
Wow.
They will receive the cash reward of the $10,000 US.
Sure.
Now may I please invite Mr. Tony Min
Mr.
to present
Tony?
the award, please.
Please welcome. Mr. Tony Min. This is the winner for top affiliate rewards. I would like to say congratulations to Mr. James Taiwan. Mr. James.
This is the first gentleman, Mr. Trevor James. Congratulations to all of you. And do you know that tonight is not the end yet? Because
It's not the end because
we have the very big surprise for every one of you here too. Do you know that?
no,
I know.
you're gonna say
So this big surprise is our smart card launching.
smart card like a square card,
Yeah,
right?
Of course. So now, ladies and gentlemen, it's the auspicious time for our smart card launching.
Yep.
Bitconnect, are you here? Are you ready?
Good job.
So first of all, please give a big round of applause to welcome all the 14 top promoters on the stage once again.
Yes, from Canada, South Africa, India, South Korea, our Asia promoter, USA, Australia, Vietnam, Cambodia, Indonesia, Belgium, Thailand, and Philippines.
So yeah. Where is the card? Do they have it on the side?
ช่วงนี้เดี๋ยวขอการ์ดหน่อยนะครับทีมงานสมาร์ทการ์ดนะครับที่จะทำในช่วงโอเคแล้วเนาะตัวนี้เลยเดี๋ยวเจ้าหน้าที่รบกวนนิดนึงนะครับ
พี่สตาฟคะเรามีการ์ดไหมคะเราขอการ์ดนิดนึงค่ะเดี๋ยวจะมีท่านผู้บริหารนะคะเขาจะทำพิธีนะคะ
So they're gonna reveal it, and then I'm gonna get this card.
Okay, so now our two beloved executives are going to slot in the card as the official launch of our smart card. So now may I please invite Joshua?
Hey guys, so John, Janelle, come on up. Let's throw the card in the machine. Yeah, go for it, guys. There we go. And it took the card. Let's see.
Let's count down together on the screen. Your money is coming. Let's count down together.
a very, very big, crazy moment. What? It's real banknotes. No way. Oh my gosh.
And here we are, our smart card launched with a real banknote! Woohoo! Wow!
Hey guys.
It's amazing! Congratulations! This is our smart card launching, but we would like to know more about our new smart card. So now, ladies and gentlemen, may I please invite all of you to give a big round of applause to all the 14 top promoters. Thank you! Thank you for joining our amazing moment together. Thank you for our 14 top promoters for joining our special moment like this. But I'm so sure that some of you may not know about our smart card yet. So Kun Joshua is going to tell you about our amazing card, please.
Hey guys, so obviously as you see, we're announcing BCCPAY. It will be available for signups December 1st through Uquid, and you'll be able to fund it in multiple ways. With your BCC or with Bitcoin, you will be able to transfer it into USD, British pound, or euro. As you can see, well, we had some slides going, but one thing that's pretty cool that we are also announcing is on October 31st, we will be on HIT BTC exchange as well. That's just one of the exchanges coming up that we're getting added onto, and it's pretty exciting. So the next few months should be pretty interesting, but again, we will be letting registration and signups for this card happen on December 1st. So thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Joshua. Thank you so much. Very, very nice.
Yes. Is it the big surprise?
What do you think about something that just happened before?
Yeah. I mean that the big surprise for me is the banknote.
Yeah.
On the ceiling.
Oh.
You got one too, right?
Yeah.
So congratulations to our new smart card here. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to, for the Bitconnect members from different countries that would share their experience and the success story together.
Yeah, and we will start for the first person from Canada, Mr. Glenn Williams.
And next, may I please invite Mr. Jardas Wansil from South Africa.
And from India, Mr. Valej Chumhaji.
And next, may please invite Mr. Wayne Connor from Australia. Please, sir.
The name that we said before, please come up on the stage for sharing a success story and their experience on the stage. From Australia, Mr. Wayne Connell. Okay.
And next, may I please invite Mr. Ruben from Vietnam.
And give it up to Indonesia, Mr. Yuris Dianto. From Indonesia, Mr. Yulis Danto, and from Belgium, Mr. Jonas. From Philippines, Mr. Cornelia Jelena. From Thailand คุณมูฮัมหมัดเชิญเลยครับ This is for 9 countries, 9 people.
And I will voice again for South Africa. We have the representative from Mr. Johannes, Miss Claudia, to present.
Okay, sure.
So now, let's time to hear from our Bitconnect members for their success story and their experience together. Now, may I please invite from you, okay?
Okay,
Please.
start first.
Good evening, Bitconnect family members. I want to tell you the power of BCC. It's my own experience. I tell you in numbers. When I started in the month of September 16, I invested $20,000 by taking a loan from bank. And today, per day, I am getting $20,000. My income is $20,000 per day. That is power of BCC. And one more thing, I bought 5 BCC per $1 in the month of February, I think. Today, I have to pay more than $200 per BCC. This is power of BCC. So, join Bitconnect, stay connected, just enjoy life. Thank you, family members. Thank you.
Thank you, person. Welcome to New York, Mr. Carlos.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. What's up, Bitconnect? Hey, everybody. My name is Carlos Matos, and I am coming from New York City, New York. Let me tell you guys that I am so excited. I am so happy. I am really so thrilled to be right now sharing this amazing, glorious, super and exciting moment of my life with all of you guys. And let me tell you that we are really changing the world as we know it. The world is not anymore the way it used to be. No. Bitconnect! Wow! Bitconnect! We are coming, and we are coming in waves. We are starting, and we are going to actually go all over the world. We are belting the entire world. Let me tell you guys that I started 137 days ago with only $25,610, and right now I am reaching $140,000. Whoa, what's up? And let me tell you that I am actually earning around $1,400 on an everyday basis, 7 days a week. What? I am right now independently, financially independently. I am saying to so many people who said that this was going to be a con artist game, that this was going to be a scammer game. Hey, you're going to lose all your money. My wife still doesn't believe in me. I'm telling him, but honey, listen, this is real. No. That's a scam. And I said, but wait, I'm going to go to the bank. I'm going to get my Bitcoins. I'm going to actually put it into dollars. Here, they're right on the table. No, that's money that you took from another account. I'll say, what am I going to do? Then I said to myself, you know what? When I am starting to put $10,000 a day on her, right on her, on her table, then she's going to say, whoa! Yeah, okay, that's real. So guys, I want to tell you something. Faith and belief is the one thing that we all need to be able to change the world. And right now, I believe that in this room, we have the seed that's going to germinate and that's going to explode into an amazing opportunity for us to change this entire world. I am so proud, I am so honored, I am so excited to be here right now. And let me tell you something, that each and every one of you has the opportunity to become like those amazing people that we know here from Vietnam. Hey, my people from Vietnam, making so much money that they can probably have a real hard time counting it. So guys, let me tell you, I love Bitconnect!
Yes! Thank you so much, Carlos from New York City. We're very excited, super excited, thank you. And thank you so much for all of top promoters for sharing their success story and their experience today.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause to all the members on the stage. Thank you.
Thank you.
So ladies and gentlemen, now may I please invite all of you to stand up together at your place, please.
Come on, come on, come
We
on.
are going to
guys.
dance together. ให้คิวนิดนึงนะคะถ้าเพลงพร้อมค่ะ
พร้อมไหม
พร้อมไหมคะ Okay, so now we're waiting for our highlight tonight, which is all of you, all the Bitconnect. Are you here? Bitconnect, are you here? So let's join your hands together and dance together with us tonight, okay?
Okay.
Yeah!
Perfect. Music, go.
พร้อมไหมคะ Okay, music, come on!
Yeah!
Yeah!
To the seers in the house tonight.
Stand up, stand
Gonna
up,
get your money
stand up,
right, right.
stand up!
Yes.
You
Up.
got to
Rock your body!
something.
Ah.
Got to stake a little something. Make a fortune with what you invested. Right, 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 right. Tell them stakers.
Let me hip you guys. My cash flow decentralized. With cryptocurrency, all my friends are hypnotized. I got a blockchain for my wallet, boy, don't get surprised. BCC in high demand, you know they got a big supply. Come on.
Dance together!
Lend a little something if you wanna get a little interest. Lend your coins. You can make a profit. Right, 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 right. Let's go, lenders.
Profit, profit.
Can
You
you
wanna
put your hands up in the air,
profit?
Pattaya?
Get that loan and get the interest. Reinvest and play with options.
Come
You have to
on.
grow your
India,
capital
where
and
are
after
you?
loan your
Come on.
capital and after show your plan for more.
Indonesia!
Yeah,
Where
you
are
know.
you?
It's right in front of me. All these new
Vietnam.
possibilities.
Don't worry tonight.
Got to trade
Don't
a
worry
little
how you look like when you
something.
dance.
Price and bid a little something.
Japan.
Exchange points. Trade a little something. Right, 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 right. Take it, trade it.
Ah,
What you waiting for?
Philippines!
You know you want to make it happen. P2P, set your ID. Find your home and make the address. You can buy Bitcoin and go ahead and make some magic. Or you can sell your coin and go and get the latest fashion.
You got to mine a little something, block rewarded, do a little mining,
Belgium!
make a hefty profit, right?
Canada!
Right.
Netherlands!
Listen, see, don't skip a beat.
Cambodia!
Check your own efficiency. I get mine around the
Come on,
clock.
join
Check
us,
my
join
bill, it's
us.
crystal clean.
Yes.
Solo mine around the block. Take your time and skip the fee. You wanna generate some coin? Come through and you'll get to see. Come